Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Lecture number 2 titled Some Dreadful Spider. The arachnids, some dreadful spiders, some amazing varieties. There are about 35,000 species of spiders. They are found everywhere except in polar region and oceans. The spiders spin webs to trap insects. Some of them are dangerous as they are poisonous and can kill humans. Identify these spiders by pictures and clue. Means there are some spiders are poisonous and even kill the human being, and near about 35,000 species variety of spider. The first, it is the world largest spider. It is found in South America in the Brazilian coastal border. Its potential leg span is about 26 centimeter. It does not build web but lives in the burrow. This is the world largest spider and is found in South Africa. The name of this spider, Goliath bird eating spider. Goliath bird eating spider. Second, this spider can jump a distance about 60 times its own length. It pounces on its prey and grabs it by extending its hind leg. Means this spider can jump distance about 60 times of its own length. The name of this spider, jumping spider. Jumping spider. Third, the world's smallest spider, which is only about 0.43 mm long. The world's smallest spider, which is only about 0.43 mm long. The name of this spider, or web spider. Or web spider. Question number 4. This spider is the world's most dangerous and poisonous spider. It is the deadliest creature as its venom can kill people in less than 2 hours. It has big and powerful fangs which can penetrate the clothes. Its bite is infective to insect. Means this spider is the world's most dangerous and poisonous spider, and its bite is ineffective to insects. The name of this spider is tunnel web spider. Tunnel web spider. Fifth, it has a red strip across its back. Its bite is very painful and dangerous if not treated promptly. The name of this spider, red black spider. Red black spider. Question number 6. This spider lives in tropical forest. It is large enough to catch its prey by force and strength. The name of this spider is huntsman spider. Huntsman spider. Question number 7. Female of this spider type of spider is larger than the male, and it kills the male after mating by eating. It is an extremely poisonous spider. Its fangs penetrate the human body and its bite may prove fatal. Means female of this type of spider is larger than the male, and it's killed the male after mating by eating it. The name of this spider is black widow spider. Black widow spider. Question number 8. This spider is known as water spider. It is the only spider that lives in water throughout its life. It breathes air which is trapped in a bubble held by hairs on its abdomen and leg. The name of this spider is water spider. Means this spider is known as water spider. It is only spider that lives in water throughout its life. So the name of this spider, water spider. Wildlife. Take the correct options. Question of first, Name the world's smallest bird. Name the world's smallest bird. A. B. Hummingbird. B. Swift. C. Turkey. The correct option A. B. Hummingbird. Question number second. Which is the smallest sea turtle? Which is the smallest sea turtle? Option A. Green turtle. Option B. Loggerhead turtle. And option C. Pacific ridley. The correct option C. Pacific ridley. Question number third. Which is the biggest mammal? Which is the biggest mammal? Option A. Elephant. Option B. Blue whale. Option C. Giraffe. The correct option B. Blue whale. Question number 4. Giant panda belongs to option A. Raccoon family. Option B. Carnivore family. Option C. Felines family. Correct option raccoon family. Question number 5. Which creatures can eat more than 100 times its own weight in a day? Option A. Parrot. Option B. Crow. Option C. Caterpillar. The correct option C. Caterpillar. Question number 6. Which is the largest perching bird? Option A. Sparrow. Option B. Raven. Option C. Mayhen. Correct option B. Raven. Question number 7. Which birds can grow up to 2.7 meter tall? Option A. Owl. Option B. Ostrich. Option C. Peacock. Correct option B. Ostrich. Question number 8. Which fish is the fastest swimmer? Which fish is the fastest swimmer? Option A. Eel. Option B. Shark. Option C. Shellfish. Correct option C. Shellfish. Question number 9. Which is the smallest fish in the world, only 7.9 mm long? Option A. Pedocrapsis prognathica. Option B. Surgeonfish. Option C. Blobfish. Correct option A. Question number 10. Which grass grow higher than a house? Option A. Maize. Option B. Bamboo. Option C. Rice. Correct option B. Bamboo. Endangered Asian mammals. These few animals live in Asia but are batting to life. Loss of habitat, fear of hunting and poaching have brought them on the verge of extinctions. Identify and name them. Means through hunting and poaching, now few animals live, and means near about minimum number of animals present at a times. First, it is a wild cat found in Himalaya regions. Excellent rock climber. The name of this animal snow leopard. Snow leopard. Question number second. It is an ape found in China, Assam, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. The name of this ape, hook-log gibbon. Question number 3. Water mammal found only in fresh water in Pakistan. The name of this mammal, Indus River dolphin. Indus River dolphin. Question number 4. Water dependent cattle see in India, Vietnam and Myanmar. The name of this animal, wild Asian buffalo. Wild Asian buffalo. Question number 5. A mountain goat can climb tree found in Himalaya and mountains of Central Asia. The name of this goat, Markhor. Question number 6. Huge mammal with 2 horns found in Sumatra, Malaya Peninsula and Borneo. It is Sumatran rhino. This is called the Sumatran rhino. 7th, it is a desert antelope seen in Arabian Peninsula and Middle East. The name of this oxy, oryx. The name of this, it is a desert antelope seen in the Arabian Peninsula and Middle East. Oryx. Question number 8. Can climb tree to feed and sunbath found in the mountain from northeast India to Myanmar. The name of this mammal, red panda. Question number 9. A wild dog swims well. Aka asiatic wild dog found mainly in India. The name of this dog, dhole. Question number 10. It is called a fruit bat found in Japan. It navigates using vision. The name of this, Ryukyu flying fox. Ryukyu flying fox. Question number 11. It is an antelope found in Tibet and Ladakh. It is treated by poaching for its wools known as the shahtooth. The name of this antelope, Chiru. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, call my personal number. Thank you.